Good afternoon, reception. How's everyone doing? I hope you enjoyed your audiobook entitled Birds. And this afternoon, we are going to be creating our own birds. So, what I need you to do is get a sheet of paper, crayons, your pencils, and we are going to get started. So, get your pencil, get your crayons. So what I am doing is I am going to just make an outline of birds on my paper. I started already. I'm just going to finish up the last one and I'm going to show you what I have done. So for the head, you want to make a circle, and then for the body, it starts out as a circle and then it comes down like it's a cone. So I'm going to show you that in a second. Okay, so we have something like a circle on all of them, and then it comes in small, and then we do that rounded shape again. We come in, and then we put some wings on them and their beaks and their feet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start to color in my branches actually. So I'm just going to get brown and I am going to put my branches on, and then I'm going to start putting some leaves random places, and then I'm going to get back to the birds. Okay, so really quickly, and nothing fancy on the branches, just a nice straight line there, and then another one here for them to stand on. Curve this one a little, and then so we have our main branches. Now what I'm going to do is put some little ones, some smaller ones, so that we can have some leaves coming out of. Okay, so maybe just we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So just a few. So I just did a couple coming out, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a dark green and outline my leaves, and then put a lighter green on the inside. So make my leaves very simple shapes that I'm doing, and I'm going to show you that in a moment. So those are my leaves. Now I'm going to put some lines inside for like the veins of the leaves. And then I'm going to go in with a lighter green to color my leaves. Okay? So there it is. And now the light green on top. Just so we have some variation of colors. And then I'm going to go back to my birds and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to outline it with one color, and then I will probably use that same color to shade it in with, but then their wings will be a completely different color. So the one at the bottom, I'm going to outline it in red, and I'm going to do a heavy outline, and then I'm going to go in and shade it lighter than what I outlined it with. And I'm going to show you that as well. So, dark. And then the wing, I'm going to do a almost like a burgundy. And what I'll do is I'll put some lines in the wing so it will look like they're feathers. Almost. And then I'll color that lighter than what I outlined it. Like I said, I'll do it and I'll show you. Okay? And then after that, we have to put the beak as well as the eye. Okay, and for the eye, I'm just going to take my pencil and just darken it. So just a little dot. And then for the beak, we're going to do orange. Simple orange beak. Okay, just like that. So the next one is going to be blue with red flag, a blue body, red chest, and the next one is going to be yellow. Okay, so just the chest on this one is going to be red, not the actual wings. The rest of the body will be blue. And like I said, we are going to outline it. Well, I'm outlining mine with a heavier hand. I'm pressing down on it a little harder, but then to actually color it, I'm going in a little lighter. Okay, and then the beak and the eye. Right, and I almost forgot the feet. So I'm just taking my pencil and making sure that you can see the feet of the birds on the branch, holding on. Right, and then the last one is going to be yellow with green wings. Picked up red. Done. And you can do this as detailed as you want, and you can put how many ever birds you want, whatever colors you want, but just maintain the concept of the birds. Okay, so this is what I have. So I have 3 birds, different colors, on branches, having the best time. And if you want, you can put some more leaves or whatever in the background or around them. That's completely up to you. So get it done, submit it, and let me know how you felt about it. Okay, I will see you again on Thursday actually for some independent art. Have a great day.